Hello guys, you are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Muhammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am going to explain you the dimensioning chapter. This chapter is applicable for diploma, ITI and engineering students. So please watch my videos till the end and like my videos, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to press on my bell icon to get you the more notification on my channel and other chapters. So please watch my videos till the end and also practice by yourself. Then only you will come to understand how to do this problem with easily process. So now I am starting my problem. Copy the given sketch of figure given to scale 1:1 and dimension adopting unidirectional system with combined dimensioning method. In this question, before starting this question, first you have to see the scale. What scale he has given in the question. That scale is 1:1. 1:1 means full scale. Full scale means whatever dimension given in the question, means how much dimension he has given for the each line, same with that dimension you have to draw in your solution. So scale means full scale means same you have to draw. Okay, so how to draw this? First you have to measure the line. How much? 10 centimeters. So you have to draw 10 only. Same. Like this. 10. Each line you have to draw same. 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. And this one same as 10. How much this line is? 1.5. Draw 1.5 centimeter line, and this one is 5 centimeter, then 5 centimeter, and this one is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter line, and same 5 centimeter. Sorry, 5.5 I have drawn. I am taking here 5.5 only. Okay, then after here you are having 1.5 same. And how much this line is? 4 centimeter. I am taking 4 centimeter like this. And same 1 centimeter this one. You have to measure each line and you have to draw 1 centimeter. This one will be 4 and remaining line. I have drawn according to this scale 1:1 full scale, and you have to draw this box also. You have to see how much distance you see this point we are having, how much distance from here and how much distance from here. There is 1 centimeter distance from here and 1 centimeter distance from here. So I am taking that distance from 1 like this here, putting point and here also, and from there I am taking a line like this, light line, faint line like this, where it is meeting here. From here you have to draw that box. So how much is the box? This one is 20 and this one is 40. So draw here 20 mm like this, and this one 40. Okay, same as 20, 40. I have drawn that box also in between of the figure, and you can rub the faint lines according to the figure. Now you have copied this figure according to the scale. So first you have to draw with scale only. Okay, then after you have to see the method, means which method he has given in the question, that is combined dimensioning method. In this combined dimensioning method means 3 methods are there in this combined, means chain, parallel and progressive. You can do any 2 or all 3. In this combined dimensioning you can do this all 3. I am showing you all these 3. So how to do? First I am showing you how many vertical lines are going. From there I am taking a lines like this, extension lines. For the progressive I am showing you. Like this. I will show on this chain dimensioning also. See, for the progressive in a single line, in a single dimensioning line with a datum, for the progressive dimensioning I am showing you with one arrow mark, you have to show this is progressive dimensioning like this. Okay, for the chain dimensioning only a single line, no datum line with 2 arrow marks each part you have to show. This is the chain dimensioning. Okay, and across also I am showing you how many horizontal lines are going. For the parallel I am showing you parallel dimensioning. Parallel lines you have to draw like this. This is the parallel dimensioning. Okay, progressive, chain and parallel. And for the dimensioning you have to do here means what system he has given you in the question. Adopting unidirectional system. He gave you unidirectional system. For unidirectional system you have to dimension, you have to number it as straight. Straight in the straight also, in across also you have to do the number straight in between of the line. Okay, in between means you have to rub here in between of the line like this, and you have to dimension it straight. Across also you have to do the dimensioning straight only. So how? See here means you have to, for the first progressive I will show you from here to here how much, 10 mm. So write it as 10 mm straight only. And from here to here means from datum to here. In progressive you have to show the dimension from datum only. So from here to here you are having 30 mm. So 30 write it. From here to here you are having 45. So write it as 45. From here to here you are having 60. So 60. From here to here you are having 100. Straight only you have to write in between. And for the chain you have to, each part is different. So from here to here having 10. So write it as 10. From here to here you are having 20 mm. So write it as 20. And from here to here you are having 15. So 15. And from here to here 15. And from here to here 40. So write it as 40. See, as it is you have to show. Then after, for the parallel, for the unidirectional system straight numbering only, from here to here you are having 10 mm, so 10 mm. And from here to here you are having 20, so write it as 20. Here this is 35 and this is 45 and this one is 60. This is the parallel dimensioning. This is progressive dimensioning, this is chain dimensioning and parallel dimensioning. For the combined dimensioning method, you have to show any two types of dimensioning. Okay, so this is the complete solution of this problem. Hope guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also watch my videos till the end, and don't forget to press my YouTube channel bell icon, and you will get the notification of all different chapters and different problems. And then only you will come to see my videos, and please watch my videos till the end, and by my easy method how to draw this problem and what to see according to the question I have explained you in detail. So please watch my videos till the end. Thank you.